ADHD medication, can they cause insomnia or sleep problem? Yes and no. Some of the medication which are longer acting means which stays longer in the body, and they come like an XR or ER. XR mean extended release, or ER. So if the medication has that XR or ER next to it, that are longer acting. And in a longer acting medication, which means that it stays longer in the system. And why we prescribe longer acting medication? Because sometimes the kids have longer school day, they have homework, and one of the common symptom of ADHD is the forgetfulness. So sometimes kids don't remember to take the medication 2 times per day. So that's where we start a longer acting medication. And sometimes the longer acting medication may have some impact on sleep, and for that we often encourage parents to take the medication first thing in the morning, and try not to have any screens or anything that may impair sleep in the late evening time. Try not to have sodas, any caffeinated or drink or tea or chocolates that may affect sleep. And if despite all that the medication is working, but the child is struggling with sleep, and the parents don't want to change the medication because it is working, that maybe melatonin 1 milligram up to 3 milligram or up to 5 milligram. Similarly, magnesium I have found very helpful. And in some cases we may also use Benadryl. We may also use some other ADHD medication. It's called clonidine or guanfacine, that are alpha 2 agonists that help not only with the sleep but also help with the anger and irritability as well. So these are the couple of ways that we help parents to mitigate that impact on the sleep.